Once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you will start having positive results. Happy Monday. How do you feel today? Start of the week. Start of the week of 2022. I hope you feel good. I hope you feel inspired and motivated and ready to take some action and work on those bad habits to change them. As Willie Nelson said, once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, then you will start having positive results. If you get up in the morning and if you think, I can't do it, it's going to take time, or it's hard, or I don't feel like doing it, once you swap that one, that hey, this is my day, I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna take action, and no one will do it for me. And then taking action, that's how you get the positive results. It all comes from here. How you think, what you get. Today is a new day. It's a new beginning. And it's your day and it's your life. You must get up. You must take action. You must not let the little voice in your head to keep nagging you and telling you that you can't do it. Just believe in yourself and say, I can do it. It's okay what I didn't do in the past day or past week or past month or past year, 2021. I'm going to start today. I'm going to do it today. And if you don't, you miss out again and you regret. Enjoy your day. Be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Serve yourself and serve others. Get up and take action. Bye for now.